Erickson now wants to be in the video. There is a family on that side. They are having a picnic. At the moment, we are here now in the park. This is near to my workplace. And if you remember, I always stay there. Whenever I'm working in the night or night shift, I stay first a little bit on that side, sit down there, and then go to my workplace. Yeah. And yeah, today is Inigo's birthday, and we'll be having a picnic in here. Inigo decided to have the picnic here because some of the colleagues will be going to work later on. Let me show you the water. We go down here. Yeah, look at this. This is a big sack. Inside is sand. Yeah, this is to control the land, the soil to get down here.
I couldn't take a picture. There's something wrong with the oven. So I put the
Here, so
It's coming from this side, big side.
I think we should do it inside your car.
Yeah.
Okay, inside the car. That's it.
Go to the toilet.
He's 1 year old in his first birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Inigo.
Aussie way.
Happy birthday, Inigo.
How do you sing Aussie way? What naman yung Sri Lankan? Sumuto.
Fucking happy birthday, Aussie.
Happy
birthday
to
you.
Hooray!
Let's make a joke to what's her name?
Kayla.
This is a portion of a cake. Is that alright?
Not enough cake?
It's just gonna be this son. Nah, I'm just kidding. Come on.
It was only $2. I didn't get a lot of cutlery.
This is sweet. This is a guava flavor. I remember in Dubai there is a fruit juice, Laknor, and they have a delicious guava juice. I prepared that one in Dubai.
No. What? Savage love. Savage love. No, savage love.
Jason Derulo eh.
What is that?
TikTok yun eh. Magtatagalog ako. That's TikTok. Isa, di ba yung panoorin mo kasi ito na Jenny?
What? You said that.
Kita ko nga.
You said that. I didn't have towels for
Like ito, okay tayo, di na.
I don't want to do that.
Inigo. Please start babysitting dog. Please start babysitting dog.
Why did you bring something that's gonna go?
I know, right?
Yeah, it's a chorus.
Oh yeah.
Is it twerking? That's before twerking. No. No, it's not twerking. It's ocho. 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 It's 8. 3 is not. Ocho. How's this song? How's this song? How's this? Teach me. Ano yung chorus niya? Alia, let's go!
Aussie!
This one. You're on camera.
Oh, hi, YouTube!
Do your savage dance. I'm a savage. Classy, bougie, nasty.
Yeah, yeah. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, dear
Nini, Vicky. Happy birthday. Come here.
Yo! Yeah, good afternoon, guys. Yeah, we are going home now. 2 o'clock at 2:15 when I sign out. And I don't know if Rafael and Christopher are still here. Because during the lunchtime, I mean during my break, they sent me a message and they are somewhere here around. But it's already 2 o'clock, so maybe they left already. Oh, they are actually here. This one. But they are drinking. I don't drink.